ko dia ho, haramai, welcome to Homemade Let's Cook. And today we are making sugar-free banana muffins, great for the lunchbox or for a relatively healthy snack or just for any time of the day. So we are, as I say, going to be making them sugar-free. We've got the option of some choc chips, which means they won't quite be sugar-free, but it's up to you whether you'd like to include them or not. So let's take a closer look at what we're going to need today. So I've got some self-raising flour. You're going to need a cup and maybe a quarter of a cup more than that. A couple of bananas. We've got our sugar-free Sugro Max. Some vegetable oil. We've got those optional choc chips. We've got an egg. We've got some milk, and we've got some muffin cups. First thing I'd like you to do is grab your bananas, and we're going to mash them. Older bananas are great. Newer bananas, not quite so easy to mash. You can also freeze your bananas. I mash them first, and then I pop them in the freezer. Doesn't take very long. You can get an adult to help if you need to. I've just got the 2 bananas here. Any more than 2 sometimes makes the mixture just a little bit too wet, and it makes it quite and you end up with a difficult ratio of your flour to your banana. If you can hear it, I've also put my oven on and it's at a medium heat. And it depends on your oven as well. Maybe just ask an adult. So there's our mashed banana. We'll just set that aside for a moment. Take another bowl, and into it we're going to put a third, somewhere between a third and half a cup of vegetable oil. And into that, we're just going to crack an egg. I'm just going to use a whisk, and I'll end up making a little bit of an emulsion. So it'll look like that. Now into this is where we're going to add just a little bit of our sugar-free solution. This is available from the supermarket. You only use a teeny amount. So I'm just putting it on my tablespoon, but there's only about 4 drops of this solution, and that is enough to sweeten our muffins. I'll just give that a bit of a stir. Into that, we're going to put our mashed banana. And give that a stir. So we've got most of our wet ingredients in here now. And to that, we're going to add our flour. I'm using about 1 1/3 cups. So we start to give that a slight stir, and before that gets hard, we're going to start adding some of our milk. So you just want to keep folding that lightly. I'm going to add a little bit more. Best not to beat it too hard. And then once it gets a nice consistency, you can afford to stir it a little bit quicker. You might just add just a touch more milk. You want it to be a nice consistency so it'll easily drop into the muffin cups. You could also add some vanilla essence if you wanted to. Just a couple of drops. Now, who wanted choc chips? Let's just throw a few in for good measure. And stir them around. Take a muffin tray with your cups in it, and then drop in spoonfuls of mixture. And fill them all up until you're done. Fill them to about 3/4 of the way to the top. And into the oven they go for about 15 or 20 minutes. You'll definitely start to smell them, and we'll talk about what they might look like just when they're ready. We'll see you soon. Test them with a skewer, and if they come out clean, they're done. Well, I hope you enjoyed making muffins today. I'll see you again next time.